Welcome to the Deliverables module. Now let us see the detailed view of deliverables. In the Projects page, double-click on the project and select Deliverable tab. Now double-click a deliverable to open its detail view. Let us start with the header. Here you can see the deliverable name, the deadline of the deliverable, and some actions to the right, which are marked as important, share, further actions and close. In the subheader, you can see the thumbnails of the assigner or the assignee. Clicking this will open a list, where you can select another user as assignee or assigner. By default, the assigner is the creator. To the right, you can see the date when this deliverable was last modified, and the status of this deliverable. Clicking this will open a list, where you can select an appropriate status value. Custom statuses for deliverables can be created as per your company's requirements, by authorized users. Below the subheader, you can see a couple of tabs. This is the Overview tab. In this, you can see the creator's name, and the date of creation of this deliverable. To the right you can see a description which has been added by the creator, to suitably describe this deliverable. Below this section, you can see the progress status. As you can see here, a number of files have been planned for delivery, but only some of them have been uploaded. Of the uploaded files, only some have been transmitted. The Redbracket hub system thus helps you plan your file delivery and track its progress comprehensively. This is the Files tab. Here you can create containers using the plus button, for uploading files to be delivered. Once you create this container, you can add a single file into it, by clicking the Add File button. The Expand button expands this container, and tells you more about the transmission recipients, by showing their thumbnails. You can single-click a container to select it, and then click on the Transmit button here, to deliver it. This is the Transmittals tab. This tab is more like a transmission status report. Here you can see the mode of transmission via the icon. An email icon means that the transmission was digital. A printer icon means that the transmission was physical, that is, a hard copy was sent to the recipients. To the right is the date of transmission. Besides that, is the list of recipients. Clicking on a row expands it. In the expanded row, you can see the files which were transmitted, along with their details. To the right of each file, you can see two actions: Download, and Download History. Clicking on the Download History button shows you when this file was downloaded by individual users. Here you can resend the email to your receiver, and you can view the covering letter by clicking on it. This is Comments tab. These comments feature lets users comment on content on their individual accounts to provide some explanatory information to other users. And this History tab will show all the actions performed in this deliverable. Redbracket Hub. Simplifying architectural processes.